Want to make money online without any investment? No matter where you are from, the United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, India, Pakistan, or anywhere else, you can start earning today with Sweatcoin. So like this video and let's get started. Step number 1. How to create a free account. First, download the Sweatcoin app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once installed, sign up using your email or Google account. The app will ask for permission to track your steps. Make sure to allow this because that's how you earn. After setting up your account, you are ready to start making money. Step number 2. How to make money. Sweatcoin rewards you for walking. The more steps you take, the more Sweatcoins you earn. Here is how to maximize your earnings. Walk daily and keep the app running in the background. Invite friends to earn bonus Sweatcoins. Complete daily bonus ads to earn extra rewards. Step number 3. How to withdraw money. Now let's talk about cashing out. Sweatcoin offers different ways to redeem your earnings. Exchange Sweatcoins for PayPal cash or gift cards. Convert your coins into crypto through Sweatcoin's Sweat economy.